diverse climate around us, but mainly we note the prevalence of clouds. Cloud forest biomes are perfectly adapted to the presence of clouds and would transform if the clouds were to drift away, which is a very real possibility. This phenomenon occurs only between latitudes 23 north and 23 south. The Makipukuna Reserve is located at 0 degrees north and 78 degrees west. Typically, there is a relatively small band of altitude in which the atmospheric environment is suitable for cloud forest development. The forest is located at 900 to 2,785 meters above sea level, which is a prime area for a cloud forest biome. This is characterized by the ubiquitous low cloud cover that sweeps through the dense vegetation. The water cycle is greatly altered by those clouds. Within cloud forests, most of the precipitation is in the form of fog drip, which is when fog condenses on tree leaves and then drifts onto the ground below, where plants and animals both get the majority of their water from. That water goes back up into the atmosphere as evapotranspiration, which is a transpiration of cells combined with evaporation from the soil and bodies of water. The Makipukuna Reserve encounters temperatures from 8 to 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall ranges from half to 10 meters a year. This moist climate, combined with the reduced solar radiation and retarded decomposition, result in a higher soil acidity with more peat and humus on the top layer of the soil.
This plant doesn't need much water. The heliconia has special leaves that cover flowers and hide from birds.
Well, here comes next my friend, the spectacle bear. He's amazing.
Hi, I am the spectacled bear. I like to climb trees to find fruits and dig up roots and plants with my long claws. I am an omnivore, so I also eat small rodents, insects, and birds. Hey look, there's a bird.
The cloud trees, my favorite personally. Well, they're all over everywhere. In your journey, you'll see like zillions of them. The bromeliad on its branch.
Captures water in this cloud forest and reflects sun in the desert environment.
My fellow, the cock of the rockbird, he flies higher than I do.
Squaw, squaw. Hi, I'm the cock of the rockbird. I look magnificent with my bright plumage, which beckons the females during mating season. I like to eat fruit, bugs, and sometimes I eat little frogs. Boa constrictors, ocelots, and hawks all think I'm a tasty snack. Ooh, caw.
Now, all you are waiting for, the velvet cornet hummingbird! Yay!
Chirp, chirp! I am hummingbird. I love going really fast, and I am tiny. Because I'm tiny, I can beat my wings very fast. I can beat my wings 70 to 80 times a second. Really big hummingbirds can only beat their wings 10 times a second. Our beaks are specially designed to eat our favorite food, tasty bromeliads, which I love.
Hey guys, now it's turn for the giant worm. I know he sounds slimy, but trust me, he's not that slimy.
Hi, I'm the giant worm. I only like going outside after a really heavy rain. I love the humid climate of the cloud forest. It's ideal for worms like me. We may be big, but we're harmless.
It's fun, because, now it's time to go home. Goodbye!
Orchids go on and around trees to gain sunlight, whereas the tree receives nothing. This is an example of commensalism. The endangered species in the rainforest are about to be presented.
Ferret's taper. The giant otter.
Unlike the soil in America, most soil in the Ecuadorian cloud forest is red. You know, there are rainforests on every continent except Antarctica. Did you know Ecuadorian rainforests are the world's largest producer of cocoa?